Hello students, welcome to ShirtBack Academy. In our lesson today we're going to be covering section 3.3 in the ITF Plus course. The topic for this lesson is software features. Let's begin. We'll begin our lesson discussing productivity software. Productivity software is any application that's used to produce data or information in an output format. Software suites are groups of common applications into one central location for authorized users. Some common software suite vendors you may be familiar with include Microsoft Office, Google G Suite, and Apple's iWork. Mobile software is also becoming more common for video conferencing and remote access. Word processing software are programs that allow for the input of typed text. We use word processing to create paragraphs, pages, and entire documents. We use word processing for several common uses, including business documents, books and journaling, and school assignments. Some common word processing software includes Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Apple Pages. Presentation software allows a user to display data in engaging visual ways. Presentations will use a combination of text, pictures, sound, and video in their final output. Presentation software has several common uses. We use it for visual slideshows, chart and graph displays, and classrooms and public speeches. Some common presentation software types include Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Apple Keynote. Spreadsheet software allows for the organizing, storage, and analysis of data in table form. Within spreadsheet tables are cells. Cells are the individual boxes in spreadsheet tables where we store text and numerical data. Formulas are used to calculate and display data values from specific cell functions. An example would be adding the total numbers in cells A1 to A5. Some popular spreadsheet software programs include Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple Numbers. Visual diagramming software allows a user to create detailed image displays within graphical output types, such as floor plans, flowcharts, and blueprints. Visual diagramming software provides collaborative platforms so multiple users can view and edit files. Visual diagramming also comes in cloud format, which is common for remote work projects and environments. Some common visual diagramming software includes Microsoft Visio, Lucidchart, and SmartDraw. Web browsers are software applications that allow users to view, access, and download from the internet. Search engines are websites that allow users to search data from other websites. Web browsers are common on multiple device types, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The most popular web browser currently is Google Chrome. Some other popular web browsers include Apple's Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Linux Firefox. Email clients are software that allows a user to access, retrieve, and download email messages. Mailboxes are where the users remotely receive and store messages from a server. Email protocols are services that allow users to send email messages to its server. Some popular email clients include Google's Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, Apple Mail, and Yahoo Mail. Conferencing software are tools used so multiple parties can communicate with a video and audio connection over the internet. Users can conduct live presentations, sometimes called webinars, and remote meetings using video, audio, and text features. Multicasts are communications from one sender to multiple receivers. A common multicast platform is social media. Web meetings are conferencing software run through an internet web browser. Instant messaging is software that provides real-time online communication between two or more people. IM software creates a peer-to-peer connection between users that allows for the immediate messaging. Streamlining is the disabling of chat features during meetings and online conferencing. Some IM software best practices that we should use include seeking permission to chat beforehand, avoiding slang words and terms, and keeping our messages brief and to the point. File sharing is the distribution and access to digital file contents such as programs, documents, and multimedia. File sharing can be achieved in several ways. We can use removable media such as USB flash drives, centralized network servers, or hyperlinked files over internet connections. The public domain are computer files freely shared to anyone with an internet connection. Private domains require a username and password to authenticate authorized users. Database software will store and manage our data in a structured format. It provides a graphical user interface so users can edit, create, and manage data records in table formats. Queries are when a user makes a request to a database for information that matches specific search criteria. Database tables have rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal entries in a database, and columns are the vertical entries in the database. Most databases will use SQL, which is Structured Query Language, to do database queries. Another common database software is Microsoft Access, which comes in the Microsoft Office suite. Project management is the planning, scheduling, and delivery of application software to our end users. There's 3 important steps in the project management process. First, testing the software. Second, updating user features. And finally, getting customer feedback. Project management allows our administrators to assign work to users, share files, and enable any chatting features. Project management reports will show our user activity within software applications and track any end results. That will conclude this lesson. In our next lesson, we will cover section 3.4, Application Architecture. If you have any questions about the contents of this lesson, please review the course notes and exam objectives for section 3.3. We thank you for following along in the video. We'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone.